blackberries, red huckleberries, black and red trailing currant, and wild strawberries. Coming around this corner are two more flower towers. The little things you see growing on the side is called bear's bread. Now one day Steve came up here with the chainsaw, stood around for a moment kind of wondering what to do, till he noticed the old stump off to the left. Like these ones on the left and the right are called false azalea. Old Mother Nature tricked him into putting a berry on them, but it's not an edible berry. Coming up on the left and the right are two more flower towers. The level. Y'all look up to the right, you'll see a cliff that looks a little chewed up. That's because the waves were hitting it back when this was a glacier. This area used to be an old blowed down spruce tree. It's about 300 years old, blew over about 15 years ago. It just gives you an idea on the root system for these trees. They do not send down a taproot. 20 feet tall. Coming up on the right is a rock we call shale. It's soft rock. You can crush it with your hands. It used to be on the ocean floor. It just gives you an idea on how far up out of the ocean we rose over the years. Now when Steve started out as a young man, corduroy road, Steve got the idea from the Romans back in the day. He goes out to the slide area, harvests the logs, lays them down, puts the fabric over them called geotech, then he lies them with dirt and rock. Coming around this corner, if y'all look up above, you can see how the road was made. Coming through this area up here on the left and the right gives you an idea on how shallow the dirt is on top of this rock. It averages between a foot to 2 foot to 6 inches. Coming up to this corner, it is called Cascade Corner. It is a fault line. We have about 1,000 earthquakes a month around here, and we only feel the big ones, not the little ones. Look to the right and admire the flowers. Or you can just close your eyes like I do.